Hello. Yeah, I just got killed by the red ghost.
Money, green, green. Money's all I need.
No, because we think the stairs upwards is over here somewhere. Oh look, in each of these sections.
It's somewhere down here. It's somewhere down here. We'll see stairs soon.
I just saw. Split up.
I'm back at spawn. I don't like this. I made it back to spawn.
Oh, so I'm gonna go where you're going.
Bro, when you said red, I started running the other
Okay,
way.
I survived. I literally just survived that.
Red just went down there. Red just went down there.
Okay.
Oh.
Where should we go? Shall we go middle?
I don't care.
I've got it from there.
Let's go.
Okay.
But what if red's just somewhere down here? Money, green, green. Money's all I need.
Oh wait.
Money, green, green. I'm not the one. Oh, he's behind me. Guys, he's scared of me. He's not chasing me anymore.
Guys, you monkeys. I'm gonna go for dinner, you monkey. Right, bye.
Yeah. No, I'm alive. I escaped blue. Oh my god. How did I escape that? Red! Red is on the floor. Same floor as you. Bro, guess what? Blue got scared of me for a few seconds. He stopped chasing me for like 10 seconds. Blue stopped chasing me for like 5 seconds. Bro, did you see how you were going faster than me? But when I turned around, I saw blue. I was like, I'm not doing this. I thought you were joking about blue being down there. Yeah, red did the same thing. Wait, bro, you were going faster than me for a split second, but then I turned around, saw blue, and I was like, nah, I'm out of here. Bro, I got so scared of blue then. Bro, he's always the first to die. Is all I need. Yeah, the King Cash will be finger around me. I thought I saw someone behind us, but there's nothing. I gotta chill in this corner for a bit. I'm tired. By the way, there's upstairs there. Hey. All I need, money, green, green. Money's all I need, money, green, green. You all I need, yeah, the King Cash rolls everything around me. Where are you? Oh my god, I can see you. That is in my jeans. Money, green, green. Money's all I need. If we get jump scared by red again, I'm quitting the game. This is like FNAF. We're just checking all the cameras. That's true, but it would be better because we could see him and then start running back the other way. If there's two cornering you, if there's like one of those vent thingies, get in one of them as quick as you can. I could have outran him too. I'll just run. I'll come save you. I'll come save you. Oh my god! I distracted Red. I got jump scared by Red. Twice. What is it? I don't care. I'm still going in. Yeah. Oh my god! I got jump scared by White. I got White cornered us. White and Red cornered us. We need the sacrifice back. We need the sacrifice back. We need the sacrifice. The sacrifice back. We need the sacrifice. Red is above us. Red is above us. Actually. What would he possessed? What would he possess? What the hell is that? Run. That's true. Now, blue special power is knowing your every move. Yeah. But you can hear White better. White is like, ooh.